Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hummus in a food processor. Start by rinsing and draining chickpeas thoroughly to remove excess brine and improve flavor. Add 3 tablespoons tahini, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 clove garlic, and a pinch of salt to the processor. Pulse and scrape down the sides as needed, then stream in 2 to 3 tablespoons cold water until you reach a silky, spreadable consistency. Gather your ingredients and prep for a smooth process. Drain and rinse chickpeas, measure tahini and lemon juice, and peel a fresh garlic clove. If using canned chickpeas, remove any skins you prefer for extra creaminess. Keep cold water ready to adjust texture in small amounts. Prep a small dish of olive oil and paprika for garnish so your finished hummus looks as good as it tastes. Emulsify tahini and lemon juice first for a light, airy hummus base. Add garlic and a pinch of salt, then pulse in the chickpeas a handful at a time. Stop to scrape the sides often so no bits remain, and stream in 2 to 3 tablespoons cold water until silky smooth. Taste and adjust lemon or salt, then transfer to a serving dish and finish with olive oil and paprika.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.